So this is a short video on Restream or Restream.io basically. So what is Restream? I will try to explain that in uh, maybe few seconds, and then also try to demonstrate how Restream is being used today, both for business and personal purposes, and even by non-profit organizations. So Restream help you to create professional streams directly in your browser, and you're able to broadcast the same source, just one source, to over 30 platforms. You are joining over 5 million restreamers and reach your audience on all social media channels at once. 247 live support is available, especially when you subscribe. Um, Multiple integrations, no download required, unlimited streaming. Let's look at this graphics like this. So basically you have your source coming in, and what Restream does is that through its studio or even from your OBS, you can broadcast it platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or YouTube, or even taking input from Zoom or Microsoft Teams or from your OBS local setting, and then broadcast it to many platforms. Having said this, I would like to discuss about the plans. So there are three plans. The first one is the basic plan, which you can use forever. It costs nothing. And with the basic plans, you are able to add two channels. But let me explain this. The two channels, one will be YouTube and the other one can be Twitter. Yes, these are the ones that are allowed at the moment. It used to be three, but now it's brought to two. You don't have to pay a dime, and you can use this. And it is supported to over 30 platforms, and there is no stream recording basically with this one. So once your stream ends, that's the end. Then the next plan is standard plan, and under standard plan you get to pay $16 per month, but this is billed annually, so you get to pay $190 for 12 months, and that is helping you to save $38, because if you are paying monthly, it will instead be £19 per month. And yes, and this if you are paying depending on your currency, for instance in pound, this should come down to 14 pounds, I think, at the moment with the current rate of dollar. But if you are subscribing now, that means you pay $190 at the moment, and that's it for the next 12 months. And what the benefit of this is that you have 5 channels. You have custom channels as well. So things like Instagram that you may not find on their platform, I will demonstrate that in a moment. You can add them there. And you have 6 hours of recording. So if you are streaming for 6 hours continuous, you can record it and save it in your Restream account online, so that it came with a cloud service once you go for this. The next one, which is most popular, is the professional stream. And to tell you that this is most popular, that means this is a reliable platform, I think. You get to pay $41 per month, and for when you are billed annually, you see, or that can go up to $49 per month if you are paying monthly. But you get 3 more channels, so this make 8 channels here, custom channels as well, and then 10 hours of recording. So channels here, it means like that means you can add your Facebook page 1, page 2, page 3 if you have multiple Facebook pages and you want to add, or you could add 1 Facebook page, 1 YouTube channel, 1 Twitter account, 1 Instagram account, 1 LinkedIn account, 1 let's say Telegram account if you use, 1 Twitch account, and the rest. So there are limitless stuff you can do with this. But that's the end of the short presentation. So let's quickly look at how it looks like in real sense. So to go to start using Restream, all you need to do is type restream.io in your browser and then hit the enter button. You'll be prompted to either sign up for free or make an account. But look at how this looks like. So it's basically receive your input and broadcast it to as many platforms as you want: YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch are shown here as example. So I've made an account. I will log in here, and my account to say at the moment is free account. So I'm just going to type my email here, and also key in my password here. Hopefully I remember what the password is. I will try to log in. Yeah, it's logging me in now. So this is my account. So this interface where it takes you to is the Restream dashboard. So you can start streaming right away using the Restream Studio, or you can set up via OBS, Zoom, or other application that you use, or even if it is Teams, you can use this as well. A lot of other applications are compatible with it. Or you can stream a video file. So if you have recorded a video file, say 2 hours, 3 hours video, all you want to do is to stream. You can just upload the video and then have it set up, and you can start the stream right away. And you can also schedule an event so that at certain time it will start streaming by itself, and you invite people to join. Yes, but before you do the streaming, there is need for you to add the destination. So I added one destination before, which was Facebook. Now it's no longer available. So I will add 2 destinations now, at least to start with. So sit with me for a second. So I'll click on the destination here. And since Facebook is no longer available, it's asking me to reconnect, but obviously I will need to pay if I want to reconnect. So I would rather I will turn off the Facebook account, and then I will rather add destination here, and I will choose from this. You see there's Facebook Live, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and blah blah blah. So I will just select Twitter for now. Let me say Twitter for instance, and then I will connect Twitter account. So it will take you to Twitter to be able to authorize it, but because I'm already logged into my Twitter account, it doesn't do anything again. So now it is gone. It's adding Twitter. So Twitter is added. You can see it doesn't take anything because I was logged into Twitter on this browser, so I didn't have to do it twice. The next account the next destination I want to add, since there are 2 free channels, I can add YouTube. And so yeah, it's either an event or a channel, but I would like to add a channel so that I can always stream to it all the time, every time. I have so many Gmail account here. As you know, your Gmail account is linked to your YouTube account. So I would pick one of my Gmail account here, and then connect it to Restream. So these are things that Restream will be able to do to a YouTube account. You just need to read through and then approve that. Once you allow that, Restream will try to obtain the permission that you have given it, and then add the channel. So now I have got I've got YouTube and my Twitter account already added. I'm not going to do anything to this. Basically, so I don't even need to go to those platforms anymore. Even anytime I want to stream, I don't need to go there. But for now, I will leave it as it is. Let me remove Facebook here because I've not subscribed. I did not upgrade. If not, I can upgrade and then come here. So Facebook is asking me to reconnect Facebook. I'm not really interested in reconnecting it again. Yeah, so that should just be that. Let me check the destination again. I have 2 destinations here added. Yeah, well, let's leave it as it is for now and see what happens. Else I can edit and remove title connection. Yes, remove destination. I want to remove this destination. Remove all permission as well. So Restream should have nothing to do with my permission to the Facebook account. Yes, now I've done that. Beautiful. So the next thing is to try to stream, and I want to start with my the first part will focus on using the Restream audio. No, sorry, yeah, the Restream Studio. So I will just click on Restream Studio, and I will wait for it to load the studio. It's on the browser. I don't need to do anything, but I will have to allow permission to my mic and my camera since I'm testing. So I will have to allow that here. At the moment, my camera is also speaking of my OBS camera, which is fine. I'm not going to even use it. I'm just going to enter studio. So I need to put a stream name here. So for instance, So let me just say testing product here as my name, because it's not really real. So I'm testing product. I will now enter the studio here. So now I've entered the studio. Remember, this is Ustream Studio. Restream Studio, and there are a lot of other stuff I can do. But what I want to do is, first of all, you see, I can have, they provide you QR code for me. So if I broadcast this QR code, my viewers could be able to see this QR code and then donate to a cause that I'm championing. But that is not what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just going to get rid of that. I will not show that. I will hide that. I will hide that for now. That is very simple with Restream, basically. So the next thing will be to add a source. I don't really want to do this, so let me see. I'm deleting this. Yes, remove it. It's taking it out now from the show. So you see, I put here testing the product because I don't want to be. I can also add logo here, but for the logo I will need to optimize, as I need to upgrade to the paid version. So if I've upgraded, I'll be able to add my own logo file here, whatever it is. And just so here, this is where I will connect my camera. Well, to be able to show that this thing works, I will just on the camera shortly for you to see. So the camera is loading at the moment. Let's see if it picks up the camera. Camera setting, everything is fine. Yeah, so now it is picking up the camera. But I'm going to mute the camera for now again, because I'm not really using the camera at the moment. So the next thing would be to add maybe, let me say, a video that I want to test with, because I'm not really going live with a raw video here. But you can see that any camera you connect to the system, the studio will pick it up and you'll be able to use it for your audio. So I'm streaming. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna pick a video file from my computer. So I will come here and say add source, a local video. Yes, for test. This will give me both audio and video. So I'm going to use this for my video. And what this means is that I will mute my microphone, and I will also disable this stream, and instead on this one here. So at the moment, I think you will not hear the audio that is playing, but there's video playing already. But what I will do is that I will, I'm only testing it, so I will leave it playing. Uh, or let me reduce the volume. I can control the volume here so that what goes online is controllable. It's not just too loud or too slow. And I can pause it here if I want to go back to live video or anything. But now what I need to do is to go to, type something. For instance, let's say if I'm doing a church service, I want to edit the title or some graphics. I will just call me. These are things that you can set up all in the morning or on a different date, and they will stay. You can use like that, because Restream stuff saves them for you. So I come here under caption. Yes, because if I show anything like caption, it's going to display here. You see, Restream allows you to stream to live. I'm going to leave it like that. Basically, I can switch to a different caption. Any caption that I want to show, I can stream to them. So as a way of advertising Restream, I'm helping them because it's a free product I give. So let me leave it there, and I can add more caption of my own. So this is like, maybe I can say Pastor Z ministry, if that's what I want to show at the moment. You see, that is if the pastor is there ministering, then I will click add, so that whenever the pastor Z is ministering, I will just do go live, and you can see that it is showing live here. Okay, so I showed something different instead. Pastor Z ministry to partner with, yeah. So it is streaming down here, and I can also remove that as well. because I added it under a ticker, the message. I can show this one also. This is by default, or hide it. It doesn't take any stress at all to add this. But okay, I think the best thing to do is to allow this for now. And I will come here under graphics and choose how I want this information displayed, whether it's this or it's this way, or I can choose this other method, or I can even modify this. But most of the privilege now comes uh, with the most of the privilege now comes with the upgraded version. You see, I can overlay content, like I can overlay content to just a section of it. I can also add video clips that I want to play on one corner of it. I can choose different background here if I wish. I can even upload my own background, but I think this will be for the paid version. Yeah, I need to upgrade before I can upload my own background. And yeah, these are default graphics. I can add mine actually. But since you'll be streaming to different destinations, you need to edit from here what people will see at the other end, what they're going to be seeing. So let's say, for instance, whenever you are streaming here, you can come and click here and then add. So this is like journals for our live Sunday service, journal for our midweek service, journals for our blah blah blah. So I'm just going to use something here. Uh, let's say join us for our. This may not make sense, but I'm just trying to demonstrate it. Live Sunday service. Or you are welcome to our Sunday service, blah blah blah. Then there's a description here that I can add. For the description, maybe I can leave it blank, or I can also add something. I can describe something. So we are interdenominational, blah blah blah, church, multicultural church, welcome, blah blah blah. For more information, go to our Facebook page. You can also follow us on YouTube, on Twitter. I will include the link here in the description. It will be broadcasted to all the platforms that I've added. Remember, so we are a blah 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 blah. Then I'll come here. I can say follow us on YouTube, Facebook, uh, Twitter, Instagram should be spelled like this, and etc. Add the one that you want to add. Then I want this thing to trend, so I will add some hashtag. So I can say hashtag, maybe hashtag. Let's say if I am from RCCG, I will just say hashtag RCCG. I can also say hashtag Sunday service live. I can also add another hashtag, like say hashtag maybe hashtag church church online now, something, whatever. I just want to choose something that's trending. And once I'm happy with all this, I will leave it like that. Then there's a section here to choose content type, church service and religion. That is it. And I will click next. So what this means is that the title that I added here now, you see, it will be broadcasted to Twitter, it will be broadcasted to YouTube, and it will also be broadcasted to every other platform that I'm streaming to. So I'm done with the channel now. Now it's time for me to test my stream. So I will click play, and I will also click, I will raise the volume to a sufficient level. Now it's already live. All I need to do is, I'm not yet live. So for me to go live now, I will click here. I'm now going live. So you can see it has quickly changed to end stream. That means I'm live now. Yeah, I will sit back and relax. But before I relax, I will need to go and check. I will need to check if everything is working as they should. So I will come to YouTube, search for YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. Let me go to my channel first, and then I will. Live video. Do I have any live video? Yeah, I can see live video here going on. So I'll play this. I can hear the audio playing and the video is not changing because I didn't want to use any video that will tamper with people copyright and the rest. But yeah, this is a free video. Look, the audio is fine. Now, good thing. Let me just leave a chat here. Uh, you are welcome because I want to use this to explain something, a feature. So I will mute the audio here because I'm hearing the audio double. Uh, I also try to like it. Then I will now try to share this to people that are watching it anywhere. But first of all, come and see what I entered in the see what I entered in the title I set in Restream Studio. They are all here now. I have joined us for lifestyle Sunday service, and the description I added, they are all here. Like we are, all the description goes there. So follow us on YouTube, Twitter, blah blah blah. Look at the hashtag are all they created at CG, blah blah blah. This is on, so this is actually on YouTube. I can now go to this, share this link to Facebook or to any other platform or to a WhatsApp group that I like, the link that I copied. I can try this on a different browser actually. Let me just go here and see and play here. You can see the video is still here live. All I need to do is to just play. Yeah, it's still playing here live. So what I want to do next is to check my stream on Twitter if it's also working fine or not. I'm listening to the audio quality. I'm listening to check if that is what I want to get or it's something different. So I'm now on Twitter. Uh, it's a bit tricky here. Let me check. Yeah, this is my Twitter account. So on my Twitter, oh, how do I see my live video on Twitter? Because, okay, yeah, it is here. Sorry, it's here. As you can see, it's playing live. Oh, I made a mistake actually. I said we're just testing. So, but yeah, it's still playing. Now I'm live on Twitter, as you can see here. So imagine all the platform that I've added, I could use them now, and yeah, I should be fine. Now, so let me stop. I want to stop the Twitter as well. I'm hearing the sound double. Let me just mute the volume. So see, YouTube is playing here. It's still live. Twitter is here. It's still live. The audio is fine. I will share the link with you guys and even the audio so you can have a listen to it. Just the outcome of the stream. I can come back to my stream here and begin to play with the caption. Maybe it's time to change to show something different. So you can see it under here. If it is time to change or show something different, I can see it under here. At least some passes. So I assume that somebody needs to sit down in front of it and just be doing this, you know, uh, to be playing with this. Yeah. And like I said, you can add more customized caption. If you click add here, you could add more customized caption. Today is for tests. Maybe you are writing today is for announcement, but I'm writing today is for test. So once I show today is for test live, it will replace what is here. And the graphics, I can come back here again and maybe change. If I don't like this, I can change it to something like this instead. Yeah, if I don't like that, I can use this instead. Whatever I choose is there. I will go back to the default one. And just if I come back here, uh, oh my God, how do I close this? But I'm still live, though. I'm still streaming. I can come back and check the caption. Let me change to a different caption here. And then come back and play with this. It's a matter of choosing which one you want to like, we want to use. Yeah, look at something like that. And you can play with the colors also. There's no time really to go over all of those. But whatever I'm doing here now is automatically going to YouTube and Facebook. I didn't have to be changing that. Look at when I was changing and playing all this and see them here, coming here. See, everything is coming here. Yeah. And this logo I told you that can be removed when you use by the time you are using a paid version. So I want to add another comment here. I'm adding another comment. So what is unique about Restream is that you are able to monitor the comments all here. See, here there's a chart. If you click this chart, you could see all the comments that are coming in. See the one that the one that came in through the one that came in through YouTube. The charts are here. Even Facebook chart will show here. And I can actually overlay this chart. If I say show, see, okay, one moment. I can actually show this comment. I can overlay the comment. Now look at, if I want to, but this is not what we're going to do or not what we want to do, but you can do that basically. So comment that people are making online, if you want to still stream it back to them to read their comment on the screen, you can do that. And you can even overlay the comment. If I click overlay, it comes in here by the side here. So I don't know what you think. This is how you use Restream with Restream from the Restream Studio. So you don't need any other third-party software apart from connecting your video source and your audio source. That's your camera and then your audio through your either USB or audio jack. You take those sources and add to your stream and you are good to go. Fantastic sound. That is number one. Number two, you could also achieve the same thing using OBS, and it is very simple. It only takes just a second to set that up. So I'm going to end this stream now and then start a new stream quickly. So I will just go to end stream. I have ended my stream. So it's encouraging me to upgrade, but let me just stop here now. I will come here quickly and check whether YouTube will continue playing. See, it's already telling me that stream has stopped. You see, I don't need to go to YouTube to stop it. It will stop automatically. It's stopped already. If I go to Twitter, I also check. Twitter, is Twitter still live? No, because I have just stopped it. This is how it works. And the video is saved there. Anybody that can come here can work. Um, so for the tweet, the description doesn't come here. So if you want to include any hashtag, you can also include the hashtag through the content. Sorry, not through the content, but through the title. Yeah. So I guess that should be it for using Restream Studio, to do your production. Now, what I would like to test is, or show you guys, is to do the same thing, but set it up through uh, or use OBS instead. So for OBS, how do we achieve that? I have my OBS here already running, but I need something. So I will exit the studio here since I don't need the Restream Studio if I want to use OBS. Look what I will do. I will come here, click on this, and then copy just these two things that I need. It's fine. In fact, just the stream key is okay. I will just copy the stream key and then I will go to my OBS, quickly type, go to settings and go to stream. I will only come here where it said custom. I will go and select restream.io. You see, it's okay. I can actually say connect automatically, which is recommended because I will only need to log into my Restream and that is it. But I think I can use Restream key here instead. Whichever way you want to do it is fine. Let me just use, I've already copied my Restream key, so let me use this. So I will delete the stream key that was there, paste this there. And so once you paste your stream key here, just come down here and click apply. You don't need to do any other thing again. And then just say okay. There are two ways that you can actually connect. So let's go back to we need to go back and check if there's any change there. Because copy this and paste the setting into your stream software. Click here to explore. So everything looks all right for now. But first of all, let's add a content here. We need to add a content, maybe a new scene. Let's create a new scene. Just center. I don't have time to rename that. And then we can add a new source here, media file. Media source. I will leave the name as it is. Sorry, I'm being lazy. I will use the same file that I was streaming. What I used to stream. Fortunately, I don't know where the video was saved now, so I need to like scroll through and see. Yeah. Oh no, that is not the video. Yeah, this is the video. And yeah, if I'm happy with everything, which I will just leave like that, I'm not looping, I will not do anything, I will just leave it like that. And I want to test if the stream key is entered correctly, so I will just say start streaming. I will start streaming YouTube here. Then I will go and wait for this thing in the browser to see whether the content will come here. Immediately the content is there, as you can see here now. I'm expecting the content to come in a moment. Content, where are you? Yeah, it's already streaming, by the way. See, it's already sending data to Twitter, as you can see here. It's already streaming, so I can say view on Twitter from here to navigate to the Twitter content. I can say view this to go to view there, but let me come and see. The OBS is not really streaming yet. Is this thing okay? Let's transition and see. Yeah, I was the one that was not doing this thing right. So come to stream 3. Yeah, it's already streaming. Can I can still adjust this when it is already streaming, by the way. This is my video interface. So I will transition the new layout. So this is when you are using OBS. As you can see, the audio from the media source is high and is working very fine. Let me reduce this a bit. It's actually clipping, so I will drop this a little bit. Yeah, so now I'm streaming from OBS using Restream as well. What it does is that just one source from OBS is being broadcasted to my YouTube channel and the Twitter at the same time. Imagine if I've added a Facebook page, it's also going there. Instagram account is also going there. Twitch or whichever platform I'm using, it's actually going there. With this now, I don't need to come here again. I can just stay on OBS and be monitoring everything there. Or if I come here, I can now be, I can actually pause the stream from here, and I can also do other things from here. But you can see that since I'm not using the studio from here, most of the other stuff have gone. They are no longer available here. I can actually, even if I want to cover this, their logo now, this logo here, I can use Restream to do that. So if I create my logo and add here, it's going to override theirs there. And so it's going to be part of my content. If you're already familiar with OBS, obviously you know what to do here. Whatever you add, it will go there. And so let's go and check again whether the stream is live or not. But you know, remember I did not change the titles of the stream, so it should still be the same thing. So I'll quickly go to the channel and check if I am live or not. Is there any live video? Yeah, this is the third one now. Remember, look, the heading remain the same. Yeah, the heading remain the same. Yeah, the heading remain the same, and I guess the description as well. So let's come and see. Interesting. Yeah, the audio is fine. I muted the audio, so it's very fine. Look at that. Take a look. All the description that you change. So you could write this thing and keep them every Sunday. What you need to comment every Sunday is if there's any new information you add. If not, this stays there forever. It picks them direct from your restream. Let's go and check the one on Twitter as well. So Twitter account, we need to go back to the tweet. Again, it's also live here. You can see it's live. The audio is muted. Now I'm hearing two different audio. So let me try to add comment here. Where does the comment go to? Commenting here. I'm no longer using Restream Studio. So let's see if there's opportunity to see that. Actually, things have changed. Okay, yeah. So you can still access the chat live here, especially from Facebook and from YouTube. So you don't have to like go to different platforms to be seeing the channel. And you can type your reply here as well. Written reply your messages here. So if I want to reply, uh, like thanks for commenting, call. Thanks for commenting. If I reply from here, I expect it to be broadcasted to YouTube as well. But if there was Facebook, it should also go to Facebook. But Twitter doesn't support that feature, I think. Because I'm the streamer as well. So yeah, commenting from here, and then the thanks for commenting. Remember, I commented it through Restream here. It came there, like so. Maybe what I could do is to watch this through a different account, through different YouTube account, and then I will just go here. I want to start playing it on Twitter. So I want to switch account here, switch to a different account. I'm switching to a different YouTube account to watch so that I can comment, and the comment should make sense, isn't it? So I also like the video. Wow, this is amazing. Then I'm now the admin here. So the guy that commented the name, I am able trust God. That is the new account I use. So I can come here and say, uh, thanks for that comment. So you see that there's interaction going on here. Facebook comment will also show here. Tweet does not appear, but Facebook comment will also show here. And you can switch to destination. If you want to add more destination, you can keep adding. So I guess that is it. If you have any question, let me know. And now it's time to end the stream. I'm not ending it here. I will just go and end it on OBS instead because I'm using OBS now. I will come to OBS and say stop streaming. Then everything get to stop. The video is still playing. I stop the video. I have already stopped streaming. I suppose, yeah, already this guy to stop. It doesn't take time. So that is it. Let me know what you